For over 40 years, Medience has focused on the health of mothers, babies, and families. With 40 years of experience in the production of baby products, the all-new Medience ISO CGMP Yesan factory presents this differentiated know-how. Our first know-how, exclusive and specialized Medience products. At Medience, we produce family total care products, such as hypoallergenic detergents and softeners, baby bottle and tableware cleansers, antibacterial sprays for baby goods, as well as skin care products such as lotions, washes, and shampoos for fragile and sensitive baby skin. We also produce ergonomic baby bottles, pacifiers, and baby toothpaste, which is a quasi-drug. Our second know-how, specialized production line and production scale, boasting 16 production lines. The Medience Yesan factory is a large-scale plant with the capacity to produce a total of 32.5 million products a year. For detergents and softeners, we have 6 packaging lines capable of producing 70 tons a day, 25,000 tons a year. For skin care products, we have 5 packaging lines capable of producing 4.5 tons a day, 1,600 tons a year. For quasi-drugs, we have 2 packaging lines capable of producing 1 ton a day, 360 tons a year. And as for baby feeding supplies, such as baby bottles, we have 3 packaging lines capable of producing 4 million units a year. Our third know-how, stringent process control. Medience Yesan factory uses a system that implements safe manufacturing, secure packaging, and strict inspection. For the best quality, we use high-quality purified water for quasi-drugs that has undergone 6 stages of filtration. In addition, we are able to maintain cleanliness of the air and environment using a world-class global advanced hygiene system and thoroughly eliminate the possibility of product contamination. Our fourth know-how, acquisition of international quality certification. Recognized for its world-class facilities and thorough quality control system, Medience has attained CGMP certification, which has been only awarded to approximately 6% of cosmetics manufacturing facilities in Korea. Our ISO achievements include ISO 22716, which certifies excellent manufacturing and management standards, as well as ISO 9001, which certifies an excellent quality management system for all production processes. We do our best to build confidence in our products through safe manufacturing and production. Committed to continuous efforts in research and development, Medience has focused on the health of mothers, babies, and families for over 40 years. Based on this know-how, Medience Yesan factory produces the safest and the most superior products that mothers around the world can trust and use. Medience.